Ever tried to hold in a sneeze? Here's why you really shouldn't. Sneezing blasts air at over 100 miles per hour. That's like a mini explosion in your nose. If you block it, that pressure shoots back into your ears, sinuses, and even your brain. Doctors warn that holding in sneezes can burst tiny blood vessels, pop an eardrum, or even cause neck injuries. Real fact. A man in the UK actually tore his throat trying to hold in a sneeze rooch. And did you know? Sneezing helps clear out germs and protect your lungs. So next time, let it fly. Want more weird body facts? Subscribe and stay curious.